Every day, I earn more than $7 per minute from the comfort of my own home. That sounds wonderful, doesn't it? But what if I told you that you, too, could make this kind of money? To make hundreds of dollars from the comfort of your own home, all you have to do is learn one easy strategy that you can repeat over and over again. Wanna know the trick? It's typing, which I'm sure everyone here is familiar with these days. After all, even 3-year-olds can type. In today's video, you don't need to be a good typist to start making money online, which is ideal for beginners. This strategy is free and works everywhere in the world. Stay tuned and I'll give you a bonus website that you can use right now to quadruple your earnings using this method. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. To begin, I'd like you to go to this website right now, which is this right in front of your screens. This website basically allows you to test how good you are at typing. Don't worry, the test they have on this website is actually quite simple and only takes 60 seconds. Down here, you can see 2 drop-down boxes that you can select from. The first box determines how long the test you will take will be, and the second box shows you what your test will be. Now, because you want to take the standardized test, go ahead and select the 1-minute test option as well as the medium text option. Once you're down, click on this button right here and you'll be taken to the test page. What you'll do here is type the words that you see on your screen as quickly and as accurately as possible. Now, don't try to rush it, because if you make a lot of mistakes, your accuracy will be very low, so just try your hardest, and the timer will begin once you type the first letter. Now, I'm not gonna bore you with a minute of me typing the test, so let's move on to the next part of this video. Once you finish the test, you will receive your results, which will look something like this. They will give you your typing speed and accuracy, and you will multiply those two values to get your net typing speed. Now, you want to make a mental note of this figure since it'll influence how much money you can make with the strategy right now. So if you're not happy with your typing speed, you can click on the left-hand option that reads Typing Courses. As you can see right here, you can double your typing speed by taking this course, so even if you're happy with your typing speed, I would still recommend that you take this course as you could potentially double the amount of money that you can earn. So once again, I want you guys to take note of your net typing speed and head on over to the website that'll be paying you for typing. But before we introduce the second site, this is at typingtest.com, so go ahead, follow the instructions we've suggested to you and do this first step. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. So, moving on, Rev is the website that'll pay us, and you can find it here at rev.com. Rev.com is a website where freelancers can sign up to be transcribers. For those of you who aren't familiar with transcribing, it's basically where you type the words that you hear in videos. Now, don't worry, it's actually pretty simple. All you have to do is watch a video and type all the words that you hear, as you can see right here. You can choose from 3 options: transcription, English captions, and foreign subtitles. Now, the amount of money you'll make depends on which option you choose. If you choose transcription, you'll earn $1.25 per minute and will only be doing basic transcriptions. The same goes for the English captions option, where you'll also earn $1.25 per minute, but will instead be captioning videos. The third will be the one that pays us the most at $3 to $7 per minute, but will also be the most difficult because you'll be translating audio from a foreign language, so this is not for everyone. Now, if you think this website isn't legit, don't worry, because as you can see below, it is trusted by over 170,000 customers across all industries. Some of these customers are actually major companies like Viacom, CBS, PBS and TCM, which means it's completely legitimate because major companies like these would never support a scam. So just scroll down to the very bottom of this website and click on this button right here that says Become a Freelancer, which will take you to another web page where you can read other information about your work, and as you can see, this sign up to be a Rev freelancer. What this means is that you need to sign up first. So how do we do that? Well, you will again scroll back to the top and click the Get Started button on the top right corner, and you'll be taken to this page and click this Login button and click this Create Account button. Signing up is free. All you have to do is fill in your first and last names, as well as your email address and a password. Now, the company section is optional, so you can just leave it blank if you want to. Make sure to uncheck this box so you won't receive any marketing emails, and check the second box to agree to their terms of service and privacy policy. After that, you can just go ahead and click the Create Account button right here. After that, you'll have your free account and begin transcribing. However, because a large number of freelancers have already signed up on Rev, you might not always be able to get work here, so I'll show you a second website that has fewer freelancers to be able to get more jobs. So the second website I'll show you today is called Transcribeme.com, which is another transcription website where people can have other people transcribe their videos. However, you won't be the one doing the transcription. Instead, you'll want to create an account. As you can see, you will have the opportunity to advance professionally, choose your own work hours and location, meet new people from all over the world, and most importantly, make money every week. Everyone begins with transcription, but as you gain experience, other positions will become available to you. Below is the form where you can sign up for a free account, but let's concentrate on this section on the right first. This is a fantastic feature of this website because it eliminates the need for you to actively seek work, because the jobs will be delivered to you by this website, directly transcribed forever and anywhere you want. There are no specific work hours on here, and you're not obliged to stay at a desk. You can transcribe in your yard, at the beach, or even at a school if you are still a student. So if you're feeling overwhelmed by your workload, take a step back, relax, and return to work when you're ready. Transcribe brief 2 to 4 minute clips, not extended interviews. Unlike Rev.com, which sends you whole videos, this website only gives you short bits, so you won't be overwhelmed by the transcribing procedure. This website has a lot of advantages, so let's sign up for a free account. First, enter your basic information like first name, last name, then your email, and then establish a password, then confirm your password. Following that, you should submit your PayPal email address, which is wonderful since you will be paid by PayPal, which I know most of you like. After that, add your gender and employment status. That includes your transcription experience if you have any. Finally, you can choose your language, and as you can see right here, there are a lot of different language options to choose from. Under that, you will find some option information, but I highly recommend that you fill it out so that you have a better chance of being accepted. After that, simply check this box and click the Create Profile button. After completing the short registration process, your next step will be to complete their training and exam course. All applicants who successfully complete the course will be contacted shortly and will have paid work available to them. In some cases, you may be placed on a short waitlist while they process your registration, but don't worry because it is usually very quick because they still need a lot more transactions, so all you have to do now is find some transcribing jobs, start typing, and you'll be able to deposit thousands of dollars into your PayPal account. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.